and we're here at the 2025 Spinner Open House, and I want to show you a very special machine. This is the U5-630 from Spinner. It's a full 5-axis machine. You can see right there the tool change and the process that is completely automated. So the U5-630, as you can see, it's got a full 5-axis table, very compact in the footprint, very ergonomic, and as you can see inside here of the machine, the table has dual support for stability in the process. Of course, the tool changing is very fast. We can do up to 122 tools in the magazine. And I think something important to note is that we can put 122 tools without adding a specific outside magazine, all within the compact footprint of the machine. In this case, we've got the Siemens control, full touch screen control, very nice. And we're machining this little part right here. As you can see, beautiful part, and we're demonstrating not only the machining, but also the automation part of it. So on this side we have the ROBOBOX, and you're going to be able to follow the process of automation. So of course, for unattended operations, this is a fantastic set, a great package to maximize the efficiency of the automation. Fully automated 5-axis machine. Again, the U5-630 from Spinner, up to 20,000 RPM in the spindle, full 5-axis, full automation, touchscreen control, and of course the quality and the support from a Spinner anywhere in the world. The Spinner North America or Spinner Europe, we're here to support you, and I hope that you can check us out at spinnercnc.com.